Abby Vogt with Abridge Aging Life Care Management, and I'm here with Bayli Fields with Fields Elder Law. Bayli, tell me, what was it that brought you into elder law and estate planning?
So at first, I had no idea that this area of law existed. I knew two things in law school. I didn't want to live in Atlanta, and I did not want to go to court. I didn't want to be a litigator. I don't have the personality for it. But around the same time, I had two different grandparents diagnosed with dementia. My family, like a lot of others, had no idea what to do and hadn't really thought about or prepared for this situation. So thankfully, they were able to find an elder law attorney. That elder law attorney helped them put documents in place to make decisions, and they were able to protect as many assets as they could. So that really showed me that that was a thing that was out there, and I knew it's what I really wanted to do. In a lot of areas of the law, I really feel like you have to hurt somebody to help somebody else. But here, I don't feel like I'm ever put in that position. So it's a really good feeling.
Yeah. And what do you see are some of the mistakes that families make when they're planning for care?
So the biggest mistake, of course, is doing nothing. There are a lot of different options. If you're proactive, you know what's coming, or it's a good possibility that it's coming. But if you don't do anything and then you come to my office or someone like me at the time where you need care now or tomorrow, there's a lot less that we can do to protect your assets. And two, just in the general sense of doing nothing. If you pass away, your spouse doesn't get everything. Most people feel that they will. Or your kids could blow things as soon as they inherit anything from you because they're not good at managing money. Or they could get a divorce. They have shaky marriages, and all of a sudden your assets are gone too. So maybe they have a basic will plan, but their situation doesn't really call for it. They need something more because they have a blended family, so they don't want to unintentionally disinherit their own children. Their kids may get along great now, but when money's involved later, things could really digress. And by not doing everything that they need to now, they cost their estate so much more in the long run. And it's not only just a financial cost, but an emotional cost on their children.
Yeah, very true, very true. So what difference does it make when you see a family that has done their legal documents and also has a professional aging life care manager involved?
I think it makes a huge difference, especially in the elder law realm of practice or even special needs planning. So I can help them put documents in place so that their loved ones can make decisions for them. But what I can't do is that if an emergency comes up, I can't walk them through the steps and how to deal with that emergency. I just don't have the knowledge. Or I can protect their assets as much as possible from care, but I can't tell that family when care is actually needed or what's the appropriate type of care. A care coordinator can do all of that. I can help them prepare as much as possible legally for their journey, but a care coordinator is the one to actually hold their hand through that journey.
Thank you, Bayli. It's been a pleasure collaborating with Bayli Fields and Fields Elder Law.